So we're getting hit by this giant storm that's come up from the States and below, and I'm home from work today. Normally I work on Saturdays, but the weather was just too bad. And I just kind of came across this in a book I was reading, and you know, it's winter, it's February, there's storms around. I thought this might be useful for, well, for anyone really. So make sure you commit this to memory, because you never know when you might need it. This is an Anglo-Saxon metrical charm against a dwarf. You scald this dwarfish outpour, you score such names as these on 7 wafers from the paten: Maximianus, Malchus, Johannes, Martimianus, Dionysius, Constantinus, Seraphion. And pray this paean afterwards, sing to the left ear, pray likewise to the right. Crown of the head with words manipulate, this time a maiden hangs prayer upon your neck, a pendant for 3 days, all shall be well. And come upon you this spider light, with cloak at hand making you his horse beast, his rope upon your neck, goading you till airborne. For soon as lightened thus, fevers begins to cool, companion of grief this dwarfish sister, to degrade such heat, to swear such oaths, never to harm the stricken, never to do worse, nor any follower who breathing recites, who gains such words, such gallant myths. It is written. Amen.